So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ordinary Days. So, today we will study the life cycle of malaria. And in this life cycle, we are going to basically study the types or forms in which the parasite exists in the human body, so that we can further classify the drugs that can be used in different stages. So first of all, you have an infected mosquito. The mosquito is going to bite your arm and you will get the sporozoites injected into your blood vessel. From the blood vessel, these sporozoites will go into the liver cell, where these sporozoites will be converted into the merozoites. So sporozoites migrate to the liver and they form merozoites. And the infected mosquito releases sporozoites. Sporozoites, when they reach the liver, they are converted into merozoites. The merozoites are released and now they infect the red blood cells. And when the merozoites, they invade the red blood cells, they form something called a trophozoite. Now the trophozoites, when they grow in the red blood cell, they form the schizonts. And that schizonts, they cause the red blood cell to break down and release more merozoites. These are merozoites released again. These merozoites, then they can reinfect the red blood cells, producing the relapsing fever, or they can convert into the sexual form, that is the gametocytes. These gametocytes can then be present in your whole body, and when a normal female Anopheles mosquito bites you, through your blood, these gametocytes, they go into her body and they are converted again into the sporozoites, and the whole cycle repeats itself again. So the thing is, you get sporozoites to the liver, they get converted into merozoites. The merozoites, they are released, they get into the blood. In the red blood cell, they form trophozoites, they grow, they mature, they form schizonts. Schizonts causes breakdown of the red blood cells and more merozoites are released. These merozoites can reinfect the red blood cells, or they can go and form gametocytes. And these gametocytes, when they are taken up by the female Anopheles mosquito, she gets infected, and in her body, these gametocytes, they get converted into sporozoites. So we have sporozoites. After sporozoites, you get merozoite. After merozoite, you get the trophozoite form. After trophozoite form, you get the schizonts. After schizonts, the schizonts can release merozoites, or they can form the gametocytes, and the gametocytes, they again form the sporozoite form. So this is how the mechanism takes place. Now the drug that are going to affect the whole mechanism. Firstly, there are the drugs that are going to affect the schizont level or the trophozoite level. These drugs are chloroquine, then artemisinin, then atovaquone, quinine, mefloquine, and pyrimethamine. We will consider each and every of them in a different video, and the whole playlist is going to firstly talk about the drugs that are effective against the erythrocytic or the red blood cell form of the malarial parasite, that is Plasmodium.